Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, September the 21st, 22nd, 2024. I've already solved one puzzle, 4 star Sudoku, so 3 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, the binary, but you are interested in this one, the Killer Sudoku. Yes, it's killer time. This one will be number 9312. 9312. Okay. And we have here 4 given numbers. Given number 9 in this triple box of 14, that means that those two boxes together should be a 5. Given number 6 in this triple box of 17, that means that those two boxes together should be 11. Given number 3 in this triple box of 15, that means that these two boxes together should be 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. And we have a given number 7 in this triple box of 18. That means that these two boxes together should be 11. Okay. Well, we have a Killer Sudoku, and usually for Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one is complete. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. If you count all these numbers, the total sum is 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. This big square has 1 sharing box. This one has also 1 sharing box. This one has also 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1 sharing box. This one is complete. This one has 1 sharing box, and this one has 1 sharing box. Alright, let me start with this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what numbers this will be. 4 plus 17 is 21. 21 plus 19 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 7, the combination will be 5 plus 2. This big square, we have 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 11. Oh wait, 11 plus 13 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 11 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. 41. Yeah. In the box of 9, the combination will be 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. This is complete. This one, we have 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 17 is 25. 25 plus 16 is 41. 41. That means 45 minus 41 is a 4. 45 minus 1. 45 minus 41 is a 4. In the box of 6, the combination will be 6 plus 2. Alright. This one with 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 3 plus 13 is 16. 16 plus 15 is 31. 31 plus 8 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box will be a 6. In the box of 15, combination will be 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Alright. My next strategy is to look for boxes with 1 combination. For example, the box of 3. Only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. 15, 13, 8, 8, 20, 12, 11, 5, 11, 11. The box of 16, only one combination, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. We have a 9 in this one, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 5, 9, 10. The box of 17, only one combination, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. The box of 4, only one combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. 5, 11, 13, 7, 11. The box of 4, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. 11, 6, 13, 11. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. For example, the box of 14. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5 and 8 plus 6. Well, the 9 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 9 and the 5 there, so it should be 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. Well, the 6 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 9 and the 6 there. So it should be 8 and a 7, 8 and a 7. So 2 boxes left in this big square. The box of 8 and the box of 13. One of the missing numbers is a 3. Yeah, 1 and a 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 3 should be in the box of 8. Combination 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1 and 2. The 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. Okay. Then, let's see. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11. Same for here. Same for there. So it should be in the box of 5. One combination. The combination should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Okay. 4, 4, 4. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. The 4 is already used in this row. So I cannot place the 4 and the 1 there. Should be the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. These 3 missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. Well, we have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. The only place left with the 3 should be there. The 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. Alright. So, we have 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row above the only 2 places left with 6 goes in the box of 10. Combination 6 and a 4. 6 and a 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing in the box of 9. The combination will be 7 plus 2. So now 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. 1 and 8. Let me mark those. Then let me see. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the boxes of 11. Otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Same for here, the box of 13. Otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 12. 12 is not allowed. So the only box left is the box of 6. Combination 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 5 in this column. Last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes together should be 11. So the other box should be a 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only to place level 6 should be here or there. I cannot place the 6 here in the box of 11. Then the combination will be 6 plus 5. The 5 is already used in this big square. So the 6 should be here. In the box of 13, combination will be 6 plus 7. Alright, now 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these two boxes. The 8 should be in this box of 11, combination 8 and a 3. 8 and a 3. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be in the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 9 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. No, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9. In the box of 11, combination will be 9 plus 2. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 8. Let me mark those. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, and there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 13. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. In the box of 7, the combination will be 1 plus 6. 2 numbers left now in this third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. If I place the 7 here in the box of 13, then combination will be 7 plus 6. The 6 is already used in this big square. So I cannot place the 7 here. The 7 should be here and 8 goes there. In the box of 13, combination will be 8 plus 5. In the box of 11, the combination will be 7 plus 4. 8 and a 6, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 8 and a 7, we have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 3 in this column, second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have 1 in this column, second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. These 2 boxes together should be 5. So 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 in this column. First column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the first one. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1. The 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 7 is equal to 17. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. We have a 2 in this column, so the 8 and the 9. We have a 2 in this column. 2 in that column, so the column between, the only place level 2 should be here, so the other 2 should be the 8 and the 9. Here we have a pair, that means the other 2 should be the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box of 16. This box should be a 6. Then let me see. One of the missing number in this row is the number 7. I need a 7 here. Well, in the box of 8, the combination will be 7 and a 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in this one, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then Then I need a 4 here. 4, 4. I need an 8 here. Nope. 8. Need an 8, 9, and need a 5 here. Okay, 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow! This one is quick to solve. Let me give this a 2 stars, not the 3 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.